Hello, my friend, and welcome back to 24/7 Talk English. Today's lesson is all about real conversation. You will listen, repeat, shadow, and speak along with me as we practice a simple, natural dialogue for beginners. Real conversation practice helps you learn how to respond quickly, how to understand everyday English, and how to speak without fear. So sit comfortably, relax your shoulders, breathe slowly, and let's begin your English speaking practice. Today, we are going to use a simple conversation between two people, Anna and David. They meet in the morning, they talk politely, they share small details, and they speak naturally. You will hear the full dialogue first. After that, we will repeat it line by line. Then we will shadow it together, and finally, you will answer questions to build your confidence. Listen to the full dialogue first, slowly and clearly. Anna says, "Good morning, David." David says, "Good morning, Anna. How are you today?" Anna says, "I'm good, thank you. And you?" David says, "I'm fine, just a little tired." Anna says, "Oh, I understand. Did you sleep well?" David says, "Not really. I slept late last night." Anna says, "Maybe you need some coffee." David says, "Yes, definitely. I need a big cup of coffee." Anna laughs and says, "I want coffee too." David says, "Let's go to the cafe together." Anna says, "Great idea. Do you have time now?" David says, "Yes, I have 10 minutes." Anna says, "Perfect. Let's go." David says, "Okay, let's go." Great. You listened to the full conversation. Now we will practice it slowly, one line at a time. Repeat each line after me with clear, calm English.
Good morning, David. Good morning, Anna. How are you today? I'm good, thank you. And you? I'm fine, just a little tired. Oh, I understand. Did you sleep well? Not really. I slept late last night. Maybe you need some coffee. Yes, definitely. I need a big cup of coffee. I want coffee too. Let's go to the cafe together. Great idea. Do you have time now? Yes, I have 10 minutes. Perfect. Let's go. Okay, let's go. Excellent. Now we will shadow the entire conversation. That means you speak with me at the same time, following my rhythm, tone, and pace. Speak softly, naturally, and confidently. Good morning, David. Good morning, Anna. How are you today? I'm good, thank you. And you? I'm fine, just a little tired. Oh, I understand. Did you sleep well? Not really. I slept late last night. Maybe you need some coffee. Yes, definitely. I need a big cup of coffee. I want coffee too. Let's go to the cafe together. Great idea. Do you have time now? Yes, I have 10 minutes. Perfect. Let's go. Okay, let's go. Very good. Now, let's build your confidence with question and answer practice. I will ask a simple question from the dialogue. You answer in English. You already know the answers because we practiced the conversation. Who said, "Good morning, David"? Anna said, "Good morning, David." How is Anna today? Anna is good today. How is David? David is fine, but a little tired. Did David sleep well? No, he did not sleep well. What does David need? He needs a big cup of coffee. Does Anna want coffee? Yes, she wants coffee too. Where do they want to go? They want to go to the cafe. Does David have time? Yes, he has 10 minutes.
Great. Now repeat the answers after me slowly. Anna said good morning. Anna is good today. David is fine but tired. He did not sleep well. He needs coffee. Anna wants coffee, too. They want to go to the cafe. He has 10 minutes. Wonderful. Now let's practice short, useful lines from the conversation. Repeat after me with clear, slow pronunciation. Good morning. How are you today? I'm good, thank you. I'm a little tired. Did you sleep well? I slept late last night. I need some coffee. Do you have time? Let's go together. Perfect. Let's go. Let's shadow these expressions together. Good morning. How are you today? I'm good, thank you. I'm a little tired. Did you sleep well? I slept late last night. I need some coffee. Do you have time? Let's go together. Perfect. Let's go. Excellent. Now, let's expand the conversation. Listen to this extended version. Anna and David walk to the cafe together. The morning air feels fresh. They talk while walking. Anna asks, "Do you usually wake up early?" David smiles and says, "Sometimes, but not today." Anna laughs and says, "That's okay. Me too." They reach the cafe. The smell of fresh coffee makes them happy. David says, "This place is nice." Anna nods and says, "Yes, I come here often." They order their coffee and sit by the window. They talk about work, life, and their plans for the day. Their simple conversation makes the morning better for both of them.
Now, repeat after me in small parts. They walked to the cafe together. The morning air felt fresh. They talked while walking. Do you usually wake up early? Sometimes, but not today. That's okay. Me too. They reached the cafe. The smell of coffee made them happy. This place is nice. Yes, I come here often. They ordered their coffee. They sat by the window. They talked about work and life. Their morning felt better. Good. Now shadow these sentences with me. They walked. The air felt fresh. They talked slowly. They reached the cafe. They ordered coffee. They sat by the window. They enjoyed the morning. Wonderful! You are doing amazing! Now let's finish with confidence-building practice. Repeat after me. I speak English every day. I practice real conversations. I understand simple English. I can answer questions. I can speak confidently. I learn step by step. My English is improving. I am getting better. I believe in myself. I am proud of my progress. Great job today. You completed a full Real English conversation practice session. Listening, repeating, shadowing, and answering questions help your brain think in English. The more you practice, the more natural your speaking becomes. Thank you for learning with 24/7 Talk English. I will see you in the next episode. Keep listening, keep speaking, and keep improving every day.